Have you ever taken a dip in the ocean and tasted its salty water? That unmistakable taste of salt on your lips? A taste that is both refreshing and puzzling. It's a familiar sensation, yet have you ever stopped to wonder why the ocean is salty in the first place? What makes the vast expanse of our ocean so different from the freshwater lakes and rivers we encounter? This is a question that has intrigued scientists and curious minds for centuries. The journey to understand this mystery takes us back millions of years to the very formation of our planet. The answer lies in a fascinating interplay of geological processes, chemical reactions, and the continuous cycle of water on our planet. Rainwater, slightly acidic, erodes rocks on land, carrying minerals and salts into rivers and streams. These rivers eventually flow into the oceans, bringing with them dissolved salts. Over millions of years, these salts accumulate, making the oceans salty. But it's not just about the salt being added, it's also about the balance maintained by various chemical reactions in the ocean water. The water cycle plays a crucial role in this process. Evaporation leaves the salts behind, while fresh rainwater continues to bring in more minerals. This delicate balance has been maintained for eons, creating the salty seas we know today. Join me as we dive deep into the science behind this salty phenomenon and uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves. From the tiniest plankton to the largest ocean currents, every element plays a part in this grand salty mystery. The ocean's saltiness, also known as salinity, is a defining characteristic that sets it apart from freshwater sources like rivers and lakes. Salinity is a measure of the amount of dissolved salts present in a body of water. It's typically expressed in parts per thousand, meaning the number of grams of salt per kilogram of water. The ocean's average salinity is about 35 parts per thousand, which means that for every kilogram of seawater, there are approximately 35 grams of dissolved salts. Ocean salinity plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate and supporting a diverse range of marine life. It influences ocean currents, water density, and the distribution of heat around the globe. For marine organisms, salinity is a vital factor that affects their buoyancy, respiration, and overall survival. Different species have adapted to thrive within specific salinity ranges, contributing to the incredible biodiversity found in our oceans. One of the primary sources of ocean salt is rivers. As rivers flow over land, they erode rocks and soil, carrying dissolved minerals and salts into the ocean. While rainwater is naturally slightly acidic, it becomes more so as it interacts with soil and rocks, dissolving minerals like sodium, chloride, magnesium, and calcium. These dissolved minerals are then transported by rivers and ultimately deposited into the ocean, contributing to its saltiness. Section 5. Volcanic surprises, salt from below. Another fascinating source of ocean salt lies beneath the surface underwater volcanoes. These submerged mountains are constantly erupting, spewing molten lava, gases, and minerals into the ocean. Among the minerals released are chlorides and sulfates, which dissolve in the surrounding seawater, increasing its salinity. These volcanic eruptions, though often hidden from our view, play a significant role in maintaining the ocean's salt content. Section 6. Hydrothermal vents, hidden salt factories. Deep down in the ocean floor, hidden from sunlight and teeming with strange life forms, exist hydrothermal vents. These vents are not just geological features, they are thriving ecosystems, home to unique organisms that have adapted to extreme conditions. These vents are fissures in the Earth's crust, where seawater seeps in, gets heated by underlying magma, and then spews back out, laden with dissolved minerals. The process begins when cold seawater penetrates the ocean floor through cracks and crevices. As it descends, it encounters the intense heat from the magma below, reaching temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius. These vents act like underwater geysers, releasing a cocktail of chemicals, including chlorides, sulfates, and other salts, into the surrounding ocean water. The superheated water, now rich in minerals, rises back to the surface through the vent, creating plumes that can extend hundreds of meters into the ocean. This mineral-rich water supports a variety of life forms, from giant tube worms to shrimp and crabs, all of which rely on the chemicals spewed out by the vents for survival. This continuous process, though occurring in the ocean's depths, contributes significantly to the global salt balance. The minerals released by hydrothermal vents play a crucial role in maintaining the chemical composition of seawater. Over geological timescales, these underwater salt factories help regulate the levels of various elements in the ocean, ensuring a stable environment for marine life. The study of hydrothermal vents not only provides insights into the Earth's geology, but also into the resilience and adaptability of life in extreme conditions. Section 7. The Balancing Act. Evaporation and precipitation. While rivers, volcanoes and hydrothermal vents constantly add salts to the ocean's salinity remains remarkably stable. This balance is maintained by the continuous cycle of evaporation and precipitation. As sunlight warms the ocean surface, water evaporates, leaving behind salts. This evaporated water forms clouds and eventually falls back to Earth as precipitation, replenishing freshwater sources. Section 8. The salty puzzle solved. So, why is the ocean salty? The answer lies in the combined effects of several natural processes. Rivers carrying dissolved minerals from the land continuously deliver salts to the ocean. Underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal vents, hidden beneath the waves, also contribute their share of dissolved minerals, further increasing salinity. While evaporation removes pure water from the ocean's surface, leaving salts behind, precipitation helps maintain a balance, preventing the ocean from becoming excessively salty. Section 9. The ocean's influence on our climate. The ocean's saltiness is not merely a curious fact, it plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. Salinity, along with temperature, influences the density of seawater, driving ocean currents that distribute heat around the globe. These currents act like a giant conveyor belt, transporting warm water from the tropics towards the poles and cold water from the poles towards the tropics, moderating global temperatures and influencing weather patterns. Section 10. Keep exploring our blue planet. Our oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface and are home to an incredible diversity of life. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with colourful fish to the mysterious deep-sea trenches that remain largely unexplored, the ocean is a vast and wondrous frontier. The ocean's salinity is a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of our planet's systems. Salinity levels are influenced by a variety of factors, including the water cycle, ocean currents, and even the melting of polar ice caps. This delicate balance of salt and water is crucial for the survival of marine life. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, every creature in the ocean plays a vital role in maintaining the health of this vast ecosystem. Plankton, for instance, are not only a primary food source for many marine animals, but also play a key role in carbon cycling and oxygen production. All marine life is affected by and depends on the ocean's unique chemical balance. Changes in this balance, whether due to natural processes or human activities, can have far-reaching impacts on marine ecosystems. For example, ocean acidification caused by increased carbon dioxide levels poses a significant threat to coral reefs and shellfish. As we continue to explore and understand our oceans, scientists are making new discoveries that shed light on the complex interactions within marine ecosystems. These discoveries not only enhance our knowledge, but also underscore the importance of protecting our oceans for future generations. We gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The ocean's health is intrinsically linked to the health of our entire planet. By studying ocean currents, temperature changes and marine biodiversity, we can better predict and mitigate the impacts of climate change. So the next time you taste the salt on your lips after a swim in the ocean, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey that brought those salts there. From the evaporation of seawater to the formation of clouds and the eventual rainfall that returns water to the ocean. It's a cycle that has been ongoing for millions of years, remember the incredible journey that brought those salts there. This journey is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all Earth's systems and the importance of maintaining the natural processes that sustain life. Let it spark your curiosity and inspire you to learn more about our amazing planet. Whether through documentaries, books, or even personal exploration, there is always more to discover about the ocean. By fostering a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world, we can all contribute to the preservation of our blue planet for generations to come.